Tucson, Arizona. These are Thyssenkrupp elevators. These are Mad BS. Very nice. Just look up the shaft. These are not glass. The shaft plate is not on. There's a lantern. There's a sensor. It's electronic sensor. Let's go to R. And it worked. It's gonna go really fast. It's a fast elevator. It's pretty. You hear the motor. We are at the roof. There's down the shaft, and B is locked, of course. We'll watch the numbers as we go down. And then we'll get the other car. You want to do the other car?
Car 3, yeah. The one across the street. Car 1 and 2 are the same, but car 3 is actually different, so let's do that one.
Yep. Alright, I'll send this one up.
First floor.
Let's ring the bell. Oh, it's that car. Oh, this one is different.
No, this one actually is different.
There we go. Is this a service car?
Yeah. It's a passenger service car. So like it's passenger elevator, but it also doubles as a service elevator.
Cool.
And this one actually skips the first 6 floors. You'll
Yeah,
see.
this is an express elevator.
Actually, the hotel only operates on 7 through 14. Floors 1 through 6 are actually an apartment complex. There's an apartment in this building.
There's the chime. And we'll see if this has classic leveling. Nope. It says the voice too. This is a little bit different. Let me get a cab view here. Can you step out of the car?
Yeah.
Yep, and once you get your... Yeah, here's the cab. Alright, there's up the shaft. And let's go up to our roof. And both doors are going to open. We'll watch the numbers on this one as we go up. Whee! This is really fast. This is an express elevator. We're not even on 7 yet. That was just the floor indicator changing. It's very fast. And we'll, I think this is the front door.
Going down.
And that's the back door. We'll send it down to the first floor. Yep, that also works. Oh, I wonder if 7 will work. Nope. And you have this also has door hold.
Oh, we're getting a pickup.
Floor 14.
There it goes. And you want to do this car now?
No, we're good. That's it.
That's it.